Hi, I'm Mike Gould, coach of Team Shoot, Michigan, USA. I cover variations of Achilles hook, shoot fighting technique I've used against the nerve in the leg. I'm actually going to throw a right push kick, carry that push kick past the body, and hook underneath. Okay? He's going to end up punching me with even punching this up deep, so I'm going to check his shoulder, make sure that that doesn't hit him. Step behind, drop him to the ground. Okay? I'm going to lock underneath here, underneath this leg. What I'm going to do is this hand should be here, chest level. I want to keep this leg parallel to the ground. I'm just going to arch up and do a deadlift, and there's where that leg is locked against here. Now, if a guy's resisting and I can't get this leg up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to step over his leg, and I'm going to roll back, hanging on to the same leg lock. This is locking on right here to the Achilles. Okay? If this guy still gives me grief, he tries to roll, he's going to try to roll and kick out of it. I'm going to plant my hand right here, grab my belly, roll over flat with him. Take him flat to the ground, pin his knee to the ground, and then arch up against the Achilles tendon. There's 3 different levels for that Achilles hook. Let's go ahead and try that.